Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your recycling bin icon does not automatically refresh on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So when you're attempting to clear it out for empty it automatically, it doesn't switch to the correct icon to indicate whether your recycling bin is either full or empty. Alright, without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay type mo lang dito yung things and related settings, and then click mo lang itong open. And then next step ay scroll down, and then under dito sa related settings, i-click mo lang itong desktop icon settings. And then dito sa desktop icon settings, kailangan mo lang i-click to recycle bin full. So i-click mo ito, and then click mo lang itong restore default. And then next, i-click mo ulit itong recycle bin empty, and then i-click mo lang itong restore default, and then click mo lang itong OK. Alright, so ganun lang kasimple, and hope na solve po siya. And if it's still having an issue, something else, and the problem is still persists, do this another method. Alright, so dito sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search mo lang dito yung tinatawag ng folder options, and then click mo lang itong open. And then pop up itong kanyang File Explorer option settings. And the next step, dito lang sa taas ay click mo lang itong view. And then dito sa view and dito lang sa advanced settings ay kailangan mo lang i-check itong show hidden files, folders, and drives up. So, i-check mo lang itong circle. Click mo lang itong apply and then click mo lang itong OK. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple talaga kung paano natin i-fix ang recycle bin icon does not refresh automatically in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.